used to visit the flashbacks of the preparation of her class.
Okay. So flashback is at the back.
Hey everyone, I will share a basic of you all who have come together in video part for this was the modern era. They focus on breaking down social expectations and celebrating space and freedom by raising awareness we can help to create a more equal and inclusive world for everyone.
Oh, this is a wonderful work done by your friends. Absolutely create a good impression in all of you. Absolutely, these posters are the great way of creativity and awareness. These creations include posters, paintings, models, bracelets and other things like fashion show and song. So let me tell you what gender stereotype is. Gender stereotype is a view or preconception about thoughts and qualities that are held by men and women and their roles. For example, earlier time girls used to cook food, but now girls and boys both can cook the food and manage office. This is collective effort where each one of us made a small piece of unicorn, and it was a lot of fun and enjoyment because we had the chance to be a part of this amazing show and we entertained. Enjoyed and Lord. Mosaic is made by arranging together small pieces in the same way. This mosaic work is done by all of us together. We wrote slogans to create this work. I hope you like this mosaic artwork displaying the message to stop inequality. Let's make a change. That's a brilliant idea. We can involve our whole friend to create a mosaic highlighting the power of unity in breaking gender stereotypes. We share these learnings with everyone in the society to create more knowledge because I have shared with my neighbors. It is going to be a beautiful and empowering display of individual expression. We have also made posters together which shares our the messages of equality. One of the best example above is that boys can show other emotions too. Fashion. Oh, fashion. I love fashion. Today we are going to display the show focusing on occupational etc. by society. My friends have all created up to do the work and send messages passionately. Hi, I am a teacher. Hi, I am also a teacher. Hi, I am a doctor. Hi, I am also a doctor. Hi, I am engineer. Hi, I am also engineer. bracelets have created a powerful visual effect while also allowing us to express our thoughts and beliefs. These art activities give us a chance to know about old gender roles and changing them with time. This picture is showing the traditional gender. This was an impactful way to address gender sensitivity by combining art, fashion show, and a presentation. So friends, our topic is related to SDG goal number 5, gender equality. Gender equality is not a fundamental human right, but a necessary foundation for peaceful and sustainable world. Eliminate violence against all women and girls. Recognize the domestic world. Ensure universal access to health and well-being. This presentation is showing the traditional gender roles and society for girls. Our topic is actually focusing on dividing of different roles and live a happy life and not to throw all burden on only one gender. Our rise of our topic inequality expressed in this beauty is shown how men and women would have same dream to achieve and enjoy the life. There could have been progress that the thing being on track by 2030 discriminate all against girl and women. Eliminate all harmful practices such as child marriage. In this 50, they are breaking stereotypes. In this 50, they are changing and showing the gender rules. Now gender rules are changing. Men can also manage outside work and women can also manage office work. Yes, we all can be a part of the change. Now, the last but not the least, we would like to perform a song for you. I hope you like and enjoy it.
Now I request you all to take positions for class, please.
So request us to join. Make sure in the next classes everybody requests us to join.
So I request all of you please join the for class. As a young person, I recognize that my actions matter in building the future we want. In this spirit, I pledge to promote peace, justice, fairness, and strong institutions in my school and beyond. I will strive to promote equality and discrimination, counter corruption, uphold human rights, and foster a culture of lawfulness. I commit to act with integrity and rise up for peace and the rule of law with education. Amen.
So children, I am very delighted and very happy to be in your class. I just love the mosaic, it is so good. Coming there, let equality bloom. And if I look at all the posters which I see, I just love them a lot. I see the hard work which is there. I like all this articulation. You can be anything in your life. And also tackling gender stereotypes from an early age. You know what gender stereotypes is. You know that now girls and boys can do anything together, individually, and no job is for girls and no job is for boys. Girls can take up all jobs and boys can take up all jobs. It was very rightly conveyed by all of you. Thank you for that, the ramp walk which you had talking about gender equality. I just love the last line, equality has no genders over here. I must compliment your class is colorful, you've done a very good job. Each one of you spoke very well. It was nice indeed. So, very happy. Congratulations to the teachers. I believe Madam was there. Two teachers were supporting. Charu ma'am and both of them did a very good job. Thank you so much for supporting each other. Teams succeed, individuals don't. So that's very nice. And Meenakshi, under your able guidance, very proud of your mentorship and your leadership. So, this calls for a big round of applause. Come on! Very much. I'm sure you will enjoy the show. Classes देखो कितना हुनर है बच्चों दे विच कल ही एक क्लास दा देखियो सारे स्टार्टिंग मार गए Oh, there are too many of them. Shall I take just one? I'll take one today. I'll take one.
Ma'am, today we are here to present gender equality filters student ratio. There are 48.4% of the total population, whereas males are 51.96%.
Gender equality means that everyone are recognized. Any gender equality has no opinion and rights.
It's about treating everyone fairly, not discriminating against someone just because of their gender. In India, both girls and boys should have same chances to pursue their interests and dreams. Sometimes stereotypes can get in the way of gender equality when
giving for progress. Equality is not a privilege, it is a fundamental human right that every Brazilian deserves.
Girls can be nurses, boys can be engineers. Let's break stereotypes. Our different make us unique, but our right make us equal.
From Rio to South Pole, let's march together for gender equality.
In Brazil, gender equality is not negotiable. It is essential for a brighter future. Welcome to Romania, where the journey towards equality begins. Here we embrace diversity, empower voices and strive for society where everyone has equal opportunities. Welcome to the world of Romania. In Romania, gender equality is not just a goal, it is a commitment to a fair and just society. From the Carpathian Mountains to the Danube Delta, let's chant unity for gender equality. In Romania, every girl has right to dream big and boys has right to support those dreams. Let's build Romania where talent and ability are not gender determined success.
Let's break the chains of gender stereotypes and force a path of equalities in Romania and empower individuals to pursue their passions and talents in equality.
From rules of villages to bustling cities, radical opportunity for all in Romania. So we are wearing eye mask of equality to see equality in everywhere. Today we are promoting to follow SDG goal number 5, gender equality, as we have done research on it, and these goals ensure that all girls and boys complete in free primary and secondary schooling by 2030. We all are equal in the world, so let's celebrate gender equality. Here are 5 targets to achieve discrimination of women and girls. Target 5.1. That means whether or not legal frameworks are in place to promote, enforce and monitor equality and non-discrimination on the basis of sex. Target 5.2. End all violence against the exploitation of women and girls. Means there is no any kind of violence or exploitation and anywhere, and they have full freedom to anything. Target 5.3. Eliminate forced marriages and gender mutilation, means eliminate all harmful practices such as child, early and forced marriages and female genital mutilation.
Target number 5.4. Adopt and strengthen policies and enforceable legislation for gender equality, means empowerment for all women and girls at all levels.
Target 5.5. Ensure full participation and decision making, means women are equal in everywhere.
Also, gender equality is not just a movement issue, it's a human right issue essential for lasting peace and property.
Let's treat the tapestry of equality because we all are equal and true peace can only be achieved when men and women are equally empowered, respected and valued in society.
And we prepared a beautiful poem on gender equality. So let's start. In the dance of life, let us intertwine, hand in hand, hearts alive. No barriers of gender, no bounds to confine. It's harmonious life in every soul. Strength and grace reside, unshaped by labels. We decide, empowerment moves side by side. In the garden of equality, we abide, we abide.
Very nice. Very good.
Now I request you, Principal Ma'am and guests to take pledge.
चलो जी उठो अपन भी समझ चुकी है शांति बनाओगे
As a young person, I recognize that my actions matter in building
There was no mistakes in the pronunciation. You were loud and clear, and that speaks volumes. When I look at your class and see the work which you have displayed, it's also very, very good. Very colorful class which is going to give you energy all year round. And then the lesson behind is कि boys and girls are equal. हम सब बराबर हैं. Girls किसी लड़के से कम नहीं है और कोई लड़का किसी लड़की से कम नहीं है. हम बराबर हैं और बराबर काम करेंगे और इस अपने स्कूल को बहुत ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, अपने देश को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे और हम अपनी दुनिया में हम अपने स्कूल का, देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे. ठीक है? Alright? Now, can you give me 5? 5 देंगे. 5 का क्या मतलब है? Give me 5. Yeah! Come on! Fast, 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 fast. Such a lovely class, such a wonderful class. I loved it, I loved it. All thanks to the... Did we go for the 5? Once again, did we? So, all thanks to the class teacher, all thanks to Meenakshi ma'am. All you have to hit me hard. Don't say yeah, with a 5. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, love that energy. Energy भी तो चाहिए ना. Equality तो तभी आएगी. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very nice, and very nice. That's it. Big round of applause for ourselves. Come on. Keep it up for the stars. आप सिर्फ चमकने के लिए इस दुनिया में आए हो. आप सिर्फ चमकेंगे और अच्छे अच्छे काम करेंगे और अपना नाम रोशन करेंगे. और नाम रोशन मेहनत से होता है. मेहनत करो, खाना अच्छा खाओ, पढ़ाई करो और खुद खेलो. Thank you very much, you're fabulous. Alright, so if I move out to parents' opinion, I don't know, so कितना लगे. Please.
पहला भी कह चुकी हूँ 2 साल तो बच्चे इतने ही करते हैं तो बहुत कुछ डिफरेंट देखने को मिलता है बाकी स्कूलों में. तो मैं बहुत हैप्पी हाँ इस करके मैं डेली ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਆ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ 2 ਸਾਲ 'ਚ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਹਰ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਕਿ ਸਕੂਲ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੰਗਾਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਖੁਦ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ. ਬੋਲਣ ਦਾ ਮੈਮ 1 ਸਾਲ 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਫਰਕ ਵੀ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਆ ਜੋ ਲਾਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਬੜਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੱਚੇ
This itself is a reflection of equal participation by all the children, and this is a reflection of gender equality. So thanks to all the teachers, all the staff and principal especially who are promoting gender equality and who are promoting the children to do everything at their own, because usually as mentioned that it is a trend across all schools and of course the children and the parents are bringing material from outside, but here it is different. You are making the children involve themselves to things at their own, which itself will encourage them to do better things in future. Thanks to you.
हम भी बच्चों को लेकर उठते जाएंगे. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.
I will make two in-depth questions. We will uncover how stereotypes influence these actions. They are varied based on gender.
Boys and girls get equal opportunities?
Yes, I agree.
Should girls and boys get equal amount of money?
2020, at the age of 22%, violence in Romania. In Romania, there are many prominent figures who break the stereotype. Michelle Obama played an important role. He is an American lawyer, former First Lady of the United States.
I read many books on gender equality like The Life We Carry, which made me a role model for others. I work for women's empowerment, girls' education, gender equality, women's rights. I started many campaigns like Let's Move That Girl, promoting healthy living. It brings good changes in society and person.
Also, gender. Then this is my 3D model of gender equality.
In Brazil, women are related nursing and teaching. In 1979, the United Nations aimed to remove all form of discrimination. Some more laws are total receive petition marked by group including women. And with this my 3D model, I have made it. The gender picture issues in Brazil is first, violence against women. Third, gender pay gap. Second, gender pay gap. Third, limited access of education for reproductive rights.
In Brazil, stereotypes are also related with cults. Thus, in those 74% of women face this issue, there are also many prominent figures who play an important role, but out of them, many are men and play them.
Now we are moving ahead for the solution. STD 16.9 is related to legal identity for all.
Some solutions. Help your child read books and positive stories every day and we should provide it.
By addressing gender, stereotype and notice, SDG number 5 can directly contribute to achieving target 16.9 SDG 16. I made a poster on gender equality. It means that girls and boys both are equal. Some more solutions are workplace politics, awareness, mentorship and role models. Ma'am, I made this.
Colors, let's make colors, let's rethink, your life is happy mind,
Matter.
my action matters,
In building the
future
we want. In this spirit, I pledge to promote peace, justice, fairness, and strong institutions. In my school and beyond. I will strive to promote equality and discrimination, counter corruption, uphold human rights, and foster a culture of lawfulness. I commit to act with integrity and rise up for peace and the rule of law with education. Amen. Ma'am, please say some few words for our classroom.
My God, children, I was so overwhelmed coming to your class. I just couldn't resist. I had to pick up my mobile and say, किसकी भी फोटो खींचनी है, इधर की भी खींचनी है, उधर की भी खींचनी है. So good. Children, you really surprise us. हैरान कर देते हैं आप हम सबको, इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं. If I talk about the communication skill, हर बच्चा बहुत अच्छा बोला है, लाजवाब बोला है, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला है, क्लैरिटी के साथ बोला है. So that's very nice. Talking about your class decor, it's fabulous. You covered 3 countries. You covered Romania, Brazil, and of course India also. That was very nice. Keep it up, and we like it a lot. When I talk about these 3D models, oh, I've never seen them all my life. कभी नहीं देखे इतना अच्छा काम बच्चों का. And then talking about gender equality, girls and boys together they made all this decor. सबने बराबर किया, कितना अच्छा किया, right? And you talked about the personalities also of the different countries. Thank you very much for being such wonderful students. And I love the headgear also. Don't you have a spare one for me to wear? तो बांधो ना फिर. है तो ठीक है, नहीं है तो किसी को डालना थोड़ी ना होता है. Thank you so much, children. की असलियत क्या है? In true life, girls and boys are equal. You have to live equally. You have to work equally. इकट्ठे नौकरी करनी है. दोनों ने घर का काम भी करना है, दोनों ने बाहर का काम भी करना है. लेकिन grow up. अभी मम्मी की भी हेल्प करनी है, पापा की भी हेल्प करनी है, दीदी की भी हेल्प करनी है और भाई की भी हेल्प करनी है. मिलजुल के गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज टुगेदर कैन मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड. Alright, that's what is important. Thank you very much. You keep surprising us by your work, by your communication skills. 5th class and such confidence. When you go to class 12, you're going to rule the world. 5वीं क्लास है जी, उसमें देखिए confidence देखिए कितना है. And I'm so sure when they grow up and go to class 12, इतना ज़्यादा confidence आ जाता है. Thank you dear parents for always being with the school and promoting all activities of the school. Thank you children for working so hard. Thank you dear class teacher for putting up so much of effort. Thank you Meenakshi ma'am, the headmistress. Without your motivation, I don't think we could do all this. And your mentorship will guide you along. Thank you very much. Keep it up. God bless you.
Ma'am, these are the batches prepared by our classmates. Now, baby.
Yeah, yes, you may. Please. Come. Yes, now I'm at your level. Put wherever you want. One